Hello and welcome to yet another video of Cornerstones of Math. If x plus y plus z equals 3, xy plus yz plus zx equals 2, and xyz equals minus 1, then what is the value of x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed? So the basic approach is to use the factorization of x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed minus 3xyz, which is this. X plus y plus z multiplied by x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus xy minus yz minus zx. However, using this same formula, there can be two slightly different approaches to get to the answer, so I will explain both of them in this video. In the first solution, I will try to substitute numbers into the algebraic expressions whenever that is possible. So we start from this factorization formula. And for this part, we can write minus xy plus yz plus zx. So using the given values, this is minus 1, and this is 3, and this is 2. So we have x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed plus 3 equals 3 times x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus 2. So we have to find the value of x squared plus y squared plus z squared. Here we use this famous expansion of x plus y plus z squared, which is x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. And this part is just plus 2xy plus yz plus zx. So using the given values, this is 3, this is 2. So we have 3 squared, which is 9, equals x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 2 times 2, so 4. Therefore, x squared plus y squared plus z squared equals 5. So this part is 5. So we have x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed plus 3 equals 3 times 5 minus 2, which is 9. And this gives x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed equals 6. So there we have an answer. In the second solution, instead of plugging in numbers right away, I will try to maintain expressions with variables as long as possible. So the starting point is the same, the factorization of x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed minus 3xyz. Here, leaving only x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed on the left-hand side, we have x plus y plus z times x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus xy plus yz plus zx plus 3xyz. And we have these given values, so only this part, x squared plus y squared plus z squared, is not given. So let us try to express this part with given expressions. From this formula, we have x squared plus y squared plus z squared equals x plus y plus z squared minus 2 times xy plus yz plus zx. Therefore, if we plug in this expression into here, we have x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed equals x plus y plus z times x plus y plus z squared minus 2xy plus yz plus zx. In the remaining part, minus xy plus yz plus zx plus 3xyz. And if we combine these two parts, we have minus 3xy plus yz plus zx. So now everything is expressed in terms of x plus y plus z, xy plus yz plus zx, and xyz. So now we plug in numbers. Then we have 3 times 3 squared minus 3 times 2 plus 3 times minus 1, which is 3 times 3 minus 3, which is 6. And that's all for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in another video.